Hey there, adventurers. Today I'm here at SeaWorld since we're going to be doing all of the water rides at this park, where today we're going to be riding both during Atlantis and Infinity Falls, where we're going to ride both these rides and review each of them. So with that said, let's go ahead, have a great day adventure. Now we're going to be starting off with Infinity Falls. Infinity Falls is the first ride for our visit, since we're going to be riding the newest ride, since this opened back in 2019, which is 7 years now. Oh goodness, being old. But more importantly, this is a water raft ride that takes you out as you are guaranteed to get yourself soaked. Oh goodness, I'm not ready for this. Picking up pace. Oh no. Oh dear. Uh-oh. 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 No, turn. 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 Oh. Shoot. Ah! Ah! Oh, goodness gracious. Ah! Ah! Oh, goodness. I'm gonna regret this. Aren't I? Yep, I am. Oh, no. Oh, goodness. Okay. Alright. Alright. This. Uh-oh. Oh, it's so. Yay. I'm dreading this. Uh-oh. Oh, God. Oh, no, I didn't know this second one. I didn't know this second one. Oh, goodness gracious. That's a lot of water. Yeah, I'm oh goodness. Ah! Oh no. Alright. Let's go. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ah! Ah! Oh no. Ah! Whee! Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. Oh goodness. Okay. We're almost to the drop. We're almost done. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Ah. Ah. Okay. Alright, we're now at the final stage. Oh no, I'm regretting this already. Uh-oh. 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 Oh no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Infinity Falls is such a fun ride. Even though I got to do it solo, it is a very good family friend or even group ride, since it is just a really fun water ride. Not too well themed, but I think overall it was a blast riding Infinity Falls. It's also nice in terms of weather, so it's not too cold. It's also not too hot too. So, but now it's gonna be time we do Journey to Atlantis, since that is next on my bucket list of 2 water rides here. And now it's going to be time we head on Journey to Atlantis. Journey to Atlantis opened in the late 90s, where this is themed to Atlantis. Originally, they had a storyline where you entered into Atlantis until you have to escape Medusa as you go and drop down, as you are guaranteed to get soaking wet. But by the time 2017 rolled around, they actually changed it. I hope one day they have a refurbishment, but I'm not so sure. So when it comes to how wet you get, you are guaranteed to get soaked, especially in this small drop, but no spoilers. So I think now, with that said, let's go ahead and ride Journey to Atlantis. There we go.
Brace yourself for
This is SeaWorld. There's no nice view. Oh no.
Oh, that's what they mean by brace yourself. Yeah.
Oh no, this is the worst part now.
Why?
Because this right here, we're about to take a bath in a
Yeah,
second.
that's good. We need some water.
No, I don't need water.
Nice water.
I don't need water. You may need water. Oh, goodness gracious.
Oh. Brace yourself!
Oh.
Well, we're fine.
Oh my goodness, Journey to Atlantis is certainly a ride. It is one of those water rides that is guaranteed to get you soaking wet. I mean, it is one of the best water rides here. Is this perfect? Absolutely not. I feel like it could absolutely use a storyline, even if it's not the old one, a new one at least, since I feel like at the same time, while I enjoy this ride, it's a bit dated in this day and age. And I feel like with Journey Atlantis, I like the ride. I think in terms of theming, I love what they do with it, especially in the queue. The entire ride as a whole is amazingly well themed, even if it's a bit dated. Without the storyline, it's kind of weird. I feel like overall, when it comes to what ride I prefer, honestly, I think this one, since it is guaranteed to get you soaking wet. On top of that, I feel like when it comes to theming, it is amazing. But both these rides are great. But let me know in comments down below, what water ride do you like the best? Do you like Infinity Falls, or do you like Journey Atlantis better? I'd love to hear it. As always, till next time, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.